Okay, last day we have started with the data extension, data automation, email studio automation we have started. Okay. Last time we faced on certain unexpected problem with the data extension. So today we can start with one small hands-on to start one data automation section. Okay, let me do it quick. Okay, so my screen visible in Nani and Aishi both?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can start with a new automation, a new automation here. On minute, let other automation we can or disable also. Okay, one automation. It has been scheduled at 8 p.m. Okay, let me just check. Data extension. Okay, create quick new automation. Here we can start. So first on automation section, there is a first is the static sources, schedule, file drop, and trigger. Okay, last day we have done first automation. We have tried for it is a for SQL query automation. So let us do it quick again here, and now can schedule it SQL query. Okay, so choose it. Here we can give the new name, all SQL query. Just click next. Here we can write, okay, choose this one, let it come. Okay, so today we will try to do a different table, not the same table. Earlier we have done the same data extension. You can remember last we have tried. Today we'll try to do another experiment, whether it will work or not. Let me. Here, and choose a table. It is which table you can select customer table. Sorry. So select customer ID. Select customer ID from customer ID from customer info. Info where customer city. Okay, customer city equal to, let us check it. Okay, this is the, okay, new. Next, click on next. But here earlier date, last date we have done override. We have done replace override this current data in your same target data extension. Now we are going to choose a new data extension. Okay, so create a new data extension. From which table we are going to copy this value. Okay, this is the table 1, 2, 3. Okay, from this table we are going to create the new data extension. Okay, we will filter out suppose which two tables values are is a indoor, but we want to move out from here. We want to automate. Next, we want to choose the different data extension. Okay, this record count is 0. It is a record count 0. Let us try. It can work. Update the machine data if found. If record is not found, a new one is record. You can add it here. Next. Okay, so we are not making any schedule. That is just save. Okay, here you can write select. Okay, just okay. We are not setting any schedule here. Just we want to test it whether it is working. It's a run once. Click on run once, and then run once. Okay. Okay. Okay, click it, run. Run now. Click on activities section and click it here. Okay, run. Do not run these activities. Okay, run these activities. And recipient email address are default to the notification setting on the activities. Okay, it is showing the run once is completed. So it is a automation. Now let us check. Now let us check whether it is working or not. Go to data extension. Oh, it is working fine. Excellent. It is working. Now notice here, what was our query? Our query was let customer which city is Indore. But in customer, okay, if you notice here in data extension, we have this is our actually raw data extension. But here actually another we have filtered out data. Are you noticing it? Okay, in the any post, I will see both of you. Just notice here we have a how many record? 4 record. It's 3 record which city is Indore. But we have filtered out. Okay, select those are the records we are storing to the different derived data extension. We are filtering. Suppose this record has a 1000 data, but based upon some criteria, we are moving out the data, filtered data to another data extension. Okay, so using automation. Now, in current automation, we have not any schedule particular. We have run once means without schedule. Currently, we are running. At this moment, we are running. That's the reason run once. But if we make schedule, it will be suppose any schedule any time today at 11 p.m. or any time, it will be automatically that time schedule. But now we are doing run once means it will be scheduled now. So it is working fine. Are you able to understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do quick hands on it? On hands. Do you want to hands on it now?
Oh, yes, sir, sure.
Okay, so let me share. So you can do for another create a new another table, and we can let me give some different data. I'm giving this data extension. You will do enter steps. Suppose this is the raw data extension. Here I am editing it or giving some new record. Here customer 004. Here suppose okay. Okay. Suppose I'm doing another record. Customer. Okay, so what will be your automation? You will do an query to filter out, select every all customers from this data extension. It will be moved to another data extension where already you will create a new data extension. You will create a new data extension and you will be write the query where city equal to Mumbai. That means from this data extension through automation, it will be stored data of where city is Mumbai to new data extension. This is the task. Is it clear? Task is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, so you
Yes,
can,
sir.
okay, let me disconnect in, or you can 1 minute. Let me disconnect here first. Okay, now you can log in. Or you can share this. Okay. Yes, do it. So what will be your task? You will create a new data extension and with the same field. Okay, all steps you do. You create the new data extension with the same field of customer input table.
Okay,
You will
sir.
do it. I'm coming on. Look on the screen. Yes. Here you can create a quick new data extension. Last thing, okay, data extension are not created. Give any name, but field will be same.
Okay, sir.
You can note down in a notepad or somewhere customer ID, customer name, those are the fields.
Okay, sir.
So you have created new data extension.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the next task? Next task you need to create. Okay, go to automation. Okay, go to automation, create a new automation. Click on next in corner on top. You can click on here. Then again you need to create fresh automation. Left corner, cloud icon on top. Now click here. Okay, click on Journey Builder Automation. Journey Builder Automation Studio. And can you click on the browser? This browse all automation corner section. Then yes, click on new automation. Yes. So click on schedule. Actually, schedule we are not sure configure. Why? Because we schedule is for future purpose. Suppose I want to do today at 11 p.m. a automation run, but now want to just we can keep it and choose select SQL query. query. So create new activities.
Okay, sir.
Your query will be stored actually. Your query will be stored, or you can create new. Okay, just click on. Okay, next. Okay, so left side, you need to choose which data extension. Here, our customer info is the source data extension.
Okay, sir.
Alloc underscore D. Just drag and drop. Yes, leave it. Now we need to write the query, select. Okay, rest everything, email, then comma from query, customer info, the exact data extension name, customer info. Okay, where customer city equal to Mumbai, single quote, equal to single quote Mumbai. So this is your query. Now click on next.
Okay.
You can better to choose the last option. Yes. Click now left side, scroll down which data extension you want. You have created one fresh data extension.
Yes, sir.
Go to that data extension, which is currently blank, but your data will be moved there. Okay, which data extension you have created?
So this is
Training.
training.
Select it. So at present it is record count is 0. Now
Zero.
click on next.
So we need to update it.
Click on update. In middle
Okay.
is best option. Click next. Click next. Okay. So now we are not scheduling. Okay, there is a configure schedule. We are not scheduling. Now click on save. Okay, if for future purpose we need to schedule, but now we want to test now. Give a name. Okay, now below my automation, just scroll down. Okay, scroll down. There is one is alloc automation, one folder you will find out. Alloc automation. Yes. Now select it. Click on save.
Okay. So why are we selecting this folder again? Like what are we doing here?
No, you can select it. This folder, it will go. Actually, it will be stored somewhere. It is a folder location where automation. If you next time if you come, you can also able to see it.
Okay.
Save it. All automation stored in a file. Now click on save. Now click on save. Okay. Now click on run once. Okay.
Okay.
Now here you need to check box. Step 1, there is a check box. Now you need to click on run. Click on run. Now you can just click on run now.
Okay.
You are run now. Okay, now click on activity. Click on activity. Now left side corner there is a refresh icon. View status all. There is a on side. Click it here. 2-3 times you can click. This is activity. It is started.
Okay.
Need to wait. You can click on refresh again. No issue. Okay, let it run. Okay, do not click stop. Let it run. Click on refresh again. Let it run.
And sir, what are the other type of activities that we can perform by using this SQL query?
SQL query, this is the but this SQL query, this is the actual earlier we have done. It is a same table, the same data extension or the source. Here we have used the different data extension is the source. Okay, it is a source to different data extension.
Right.
These are the primary two types we'll do. Okay, you can duplicate, you can do other work. Yeah, after a few minutes, we can come here. Okay, so today we want to learn another, let it happen. Okay, let it happen. Actually, in future, these automated data extension, it will be used our journey builder. When we will learn journey builder, and these okay generated data, it is a suppose you have a okay you have a 10 customer different cities, but you want to send mail or campaign who are in Mumbai. So you want to choose the city, your query derive the filtered data, and you want to start a campaign. It is taking too much time. Last time it's happened quick, but do not click, do not stop, let it. Okay, in between, let it happen. You can stop share screen. Okay, we'll check few minutes. Stop share screen.
Okay.
Actually, you have learned the entire process. Okay. Let me share Indani. Are you able to understand, Indani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, so I should close window. Okay, so I want to access it.
Yes, sir, I've closed it.
It is a now it is a showing green. It is now it is showing completed. Have you noticed it? Now it is showing completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us check. Let us check. It is already completed. Now, where we can check? We can check your data extension, new data extension. Which data extension you have used? What is your
Sir, training SFMC.
training SFMC?
Yes, sir.
Which folder you have created?
Sir, under Alok TV only. If you can refresh it again.
What is the name?
Training SFMC. At the bottom, if you can scroll down. Yeah, last one.
Very good. So just notice it has been, it brought the record from, okay, it filtered the record. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Done. Yes, sir.
So what we have done, and these things will be do as a source in our journey builder time. Okay, this automation will be used. So now let us know another automation. Okay, if we create a new automation, okay. Create new automation. Okay, next we want to learn about another things is called, okay, it is a, okay, here there are many multiple events, but it is not practically possible for everything, but at least we want to do some automation we'll do. Next, we want to learn source as a file drop, source as a file drop, and this is a little bit longer area. And file drop means actually suppose Indrani running a business. So Indrani, okay, in the entire day and okay, in his business shop, entire day, who are the customers are coming and visiting office actually. Indrani decided end of the day, it will be generate an Excel file or a CSV file, and it will be placed so that everybody will be receive a welcome mail or thank you mail, okay, to all customers who are visiting in the office. So how is not want to do it? Okay, so using in that case, then it will be an automated. It will, because it is a, so every day Indani will start her office, okay, on operation resource. So end of the day, you will be place this file to, okay, SFMC, and it will be rest of the things, nothing need to bother about the, okay, employee. So rest of the task will be do by SFMC. For that purpose, actually there is a, okay, it is a how it will do it. First things we will be moved to here inside it. We are going to familiar a FileZilla. Okay, it is a, these are the already some details are there. Okay, in FileZilla, and there is a FileZilla. What is a FileZilla? FileZilla, it is called FTP server. FTP full form File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol. So if I want to connect, we click here. If you notice left side and right side. Left side is my system. Right side is actually it is a server system. So right side actually it is a SFMC inside, and left side it is a your desktop. So I want to, if I want to connect, and fortunately our cloud partner, they have already given all things. This is the host we need to add. Next, username. Next, password. Next, 22. Now click on quick connect. So if we connect it inside it, okay, if we connect it inside it, you will notice primary three things. One is export, one is import, and one is export, and one is a triggered automation. So export and export, import, and trigger. So export means where we are doing export, and suppose this is the file I want to take from outer, okay, my environment SFMC. So it will be data import options. So here I want to create it. I have created a folder today 316. Just you notice it is empty folder. If you click here, empty folder, you just right click here, you can create a directory, means you can create a folder, that you can do. So next, this is the task one. Next, go to presentation. Okay, in automation we are going to familiar. automation, just think it is a picture. It is first when data comes file upload by external system or process to SFMC enhanced FTP folder. So somehow it is a upload by external system or process. So it is coming to FTP. From FTP, actually it's a goes to the data through different way. It go to the file transfer. Internally, there is a concept called safe house, and actually safe house where data file your file it stored somewhere. Actually, CSV file it stores there, and from there actually data actually come to the marketing cloud. So FTP it comes to the safe house. Safe house to okay, it is a import file activity reads data from safe house file and update SFMC data extension. This is the way actually outside data it come to the SFMC. So SFMC platform, safe house, and import, export, and trigger dataset. So export, import, and three things happen: export, import, trigger dataset. Next, okay, so we want to do next data extension. Now here we are going to do file drop. We are going to do file drop. Okay, click here. So file drop data extension, you want to know file name, user file pattern. So you want to, if you do not want to use any pattern, if you want to use a file pattern, you can give the pattern name, or you can, okay, contents means suppose your file, it is customer info, or we are expecting, suppose your name is customer info. So you just, customer name is there, so that it is one kind of for security purpose. Begins with, suppose I am expecting which file is secured starting with the customer, that file should be import. Ends with, whatever I am choosing, no file name pattern. Expand it, it will go to where? It will go to SFMC student. So this is the our file drop. Click on done. Then okay, click on save. Now you can give save automation. Click on next. It is a save. Next. Okay, now I want to import activity. Just notice here, import activity. Import. So choose. Before that, I want to do one experiment. So what are the experiment we want to do? We want to experiment. I have done here and go to your table name. It was the table. Now a report you can export. Export it. Click on export. So I want to export it. This data I want to export. So my export file I'm giving name customer info.csv. Customer info.csv. Okay, click on export. This will be send an email to 1 minute. Okay, I want to download it now, browser download. Okay, so now download it. See customer info.csv, export, done. So it is downloaded. Customer info CSV, go to here. Download. So this is your file. Okay, copy it, keep it here. SFMC training inside this folder. Okay, so now what are the steps we are doing? Here we are deleting all record. We are deleting clear record. All data we're doing clear record. So our data, these data, it does not have any data. So what we are expecting, we are expecting data will be dropped in the file download and CSV file, and then data will be come to here through automation. So that is our intention. So let us check. For that purpose, okay. So now here, okay. So next, go to here. So create new import definition. So customer info import. So name. Next, give the name. Next file. Next. Okay. So file naming pattern. So file name, which file you are going to, okay. So this is file name already we have. So we are giving simple name, hero name. This is our file name. File name in naming pattern. Okay, this is a file. Next. Export. Choose data extension. Which data extension you want to import? All of T. Now give the name. This is the, because this data extension, it is a, there is no record. You want to bring record here. Click here. Okay, map. Okay, do not do any changes here. Add an update. Okay, next we have done. Next. Now click on active. So click on active. Okay, here, what is the expectation? Okay, one things, 1 minute. What we are doing now, 1 minute. Are doing these automation. Okay, customer input. Okay, this is the file drop. 1 minute, edit. Oh, deactivate now. Okay, oh, we have selected the student, SFMC student. Okay, very good. Now click on save. Active now. Okay, so here now we are file. What is the file name? It is a file name is S7 refresh. Okay, here customer info on file is there. Here student, SFMC student, it is a file there. Now just drag and drop here. And drag and drop here. Here pasted file, CSV file here. Next. So now activities. Okay, now it is running because we have pasted file there. We have pasted file there. Okay, running. Let it run. In between we are checking our data extension because data will be come from file. Great, it's working. Can you remember we have filtered data and we have made this data extension data okay blank. So now again to notice okay, it is already done. So is it working or not? Indranee, are you able to
Yes,
understand?
sir, it is working.
So I want to do some changes. Now our automation is ready, but I want to changes only in files. Go to a CSV file because I told it's in any business. Every day new customers are visiting office. So Indranee is generating data. So open it. Okay, now suppose I want to add more record here. 5006 here. Okay, I have given another two record. Let me three record. Mumbai. So just save it. Now go to file drops. Again, since it is a file drop, you are refresh it. Refresh it. One bit. Oh, see, it now need to copy it. Go to SFM study here. Now refresh it. Now this is the new, you can override it, replace it. Okay, override. Now go to your, here actually you can refresh because it's a file drop. The moment file will be dropped, automation will start. Just notice you have dropped the file, so activity started, automation started. So you can go to here. Let us check. Initially it is 5 record. Now you can check how many records are there. Okay, so it is again a automation. Now you can check. It is a new record should be work on it. Let me delete all record, clear record. Okay. Next, again I want to place it. Let me check. Which override if the resource is newer, a different size. Okay. Okay. So I place again. To in activities. Okay, it is third time. Okay. Next. refresh it. Actually, sometimes I've noticed if we manually, why it is not, again you have noticed all records are coming, but two additional records I have added, that is not working. It need to explore. Actually, it is a, when you are adding manually in the file, that is not impacting any other pattern or anything is happening inside it. Not sure actually. On its last try, you can do one thing. Again, clear record, clear record. Just maybe any pattern or anything changes is happening. 1 minute. Now I am taking only 3 records. New records. Okay, these are the 3 records. Next. File. Save. Next. Refresh. Now overwrite. Okay, it is overwrite if source is action. Okay, overwrite. Now go to automation. Okay. Same records are coming. Why? It is a surprise. It should not happen with the same record. 1 minute. Let us delete it. Clear this record. How it is getting the record. Again, so let us check whether these records are getting deleted. Fresh is something unexpected. Delete it. Refresh. So now the records are 0. Now records are 0. Okay. Now 1 minute. Let me delete from here. Delete. What? Okay. Okay. Now deleted it. So deleted it. It is a save. So only Papia, Venkatesh, and Anushka, 3 records are here. Okay. Let us refresh it. data source is getting changed. It should be 1 minute. Here automation. One minute, we have deactivated one time. Let me check, deactivate. Okay, oh, achha, this is currently working. Okay, since we have file dropped, it is working. Done. Next. One thing is we are manually editing data, then it is not working. We need to find out the root cause of it. Same data. How this is things happening. It is a surprise. How that, okay, one, what may be the reason? It should be different data should come. Same data. Okay, 1 minute we can do. We can deactivate, inactivate. Let us deactivate now. It is now inactive. Now we can delete it. Anyway, data size is changes. But okay, now we can active now. Let us try last time. Okay. What may be the reason? From where, which source data is coming? That is a surprise. Okay. SFMC import file location, SFMC student. So choose file on. Okay. So anyway, so let us again try. Otherwise, we will change the source. You can check it. Automation is working, but there is some doubt. Okay, how it is old records are coming. Modified 125 equals to last refreshed 316 352. 1 minute. What may be the reason? Let create add record. Suppose I am adding record. First 006. Next, add record. First okay, this is the data. Okay. Okay, now I want to export it. Export. Okay. Data from browser now load. Data name is my customer info CSV. Customer info CSV. Save. Okay, now we go to here. Okay, so go to downloads. Okay, it is downloaded now 9:16 time. Okay. Copy it. SFMC training here. Deleting this. Now this file rename. Okay, now we check it. It contains, okay, different record. It contains different record. Now let us check again. So we want to delete all records. It's clear record. Okay, clear 7 items. Delete record. Refresh one time. So there is no record. Need to assure. Customer info. There is no record. Now we want to replace again. Next up. Let us check whether data gets changed or not. File transferred. Next, automation. Activities. Okay, done. Next, go to here. Data extension. Not understand from which source only this 5 data is coming. One minute, we want to change the source of data. Okay, change the file. Customer info file only 1 minute. We can give the new name. My customer info says giving the name different. Save. Anyway, next. Add an update. Next. Okay, save. Now file name has been changes. Okay, delete. Okay, anyway, you can also do some experiment. Automation is working, but somehow data is storing actually. My customer, this is the file name. Now file name is been different. My customer. Now go here. Let's check here. Maybe it created any problem. So steps are okay. Just we need to check why data is not properly refreshed. It is not taking some. Okay, we have not activated. Let it activated. Last try. This time we have changes the file name. At present, no record. No record is here. Okay, some error is showing. My customer info input file location, some error. We have edited some, maybe some problem. customer input file. Okay, customer input automation import file. Okay, my customer input or CSV not file not found matching pattern. Okay, file not found matching pattern means here we need to edit, deactivate now. We need to give the pattern name properly. My customer info, given the name. Okay, chalo, my customer info. Okay, so anyway, both of you do an experiment. I hope it will work. Initially, we have worked it is properly, but some data duplicate is showing here. Okay, but initially, otherwise, you have understand the steps in the question, Aishi?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, so you do it now. You do it by your own, and some okay. Only one things we have noticed. Data is old data is being stored, and here actually this time we have updated the file name, but anyhow it is a just edit is not working. Okay, so we need to change the this area. You can do fresh. You can clear all data. You can do a new file name, and from beginning you can create a one automation and it will work. There is no reason that it already tested. It is work. Okay. So thank you. We can keep here. Tomorrow same time we'll be sit again.
Share the recording session.
Okay, I'll update it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So what we have done, we have just started automation, and tomorrow we will do another automation. We will try. That is a triggered automation. Okay, let me share, okay, and we will try to. That is a third option. Okay, there is another option is triggered automation. So data can here actually it is happening inside SFMC, and data can come from suppose it is a AWS nowadays. Many business organization they are using Amazon S3 org. So how it will data if it is a data file place, source will be from external server, external environment. Data will be come to here. Automation is there. That will do. And next we'll try to do data extract. Data extract actually just opposite. Earlier we have done import. Now will be your data extension. What we have done export manually. It will be manually. It will be automated. It will be export to a CSV file. Your SFMC data extension, and it will be automated. It will be do extension. Okay, it is a to CSV file. That will be next steps will be these detection. Okay, so these are the sections will be typed for tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.